up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel for today's video. As you can read the title, we finally received some wheels. Well, we didn't receive anything. We're finna go buy some wheels, finally. And it's ironic that the wheels that I'm buying are the wheels I was supposed to buy from a company, but they never sent me the invoice. Why? Do y'all not? Why? Why don't y'all like me, bro? I thought we was gonna have a beautiful relationship, cool little partnership, you know what I mean? But why y'all don't like me, bro? What I do? But I am on my way to Stuart to go pick them up. Oh, got them for, I wouldn't say a good deal, but it's all right. I didn't want to lowball too much. He asked for $1,250. I offered $900. I only really wanted to pay $1,000 for some wheels and tires, so that's how much I'm paying. So there you go. So that is what's going on right now. We finna put some wheels on the RSX finally. Probably gonna have some wheels on this thing. Only thing I'll need from there is get a new front bumper, get it painted, get the lip painted, tire letters. Oh, and we're gonna be icy. Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. What else is new, bro? What else is new? No gas in this mother. They can bring me down. Woo! I will fall in the void. I love you so much. You have no idea, bro. You don't know how much I love you, bro. God bless Elsie's baby boy. I'm so hyped right now, man. I'm finally gonna have wheels on the RSX where it looks decent. Man, God, bro, I just want the car to look good, man. Bro, have you guys heard Kid Cudi's new album? Man on the Moon 3, The Chosen? Bro, God, I love Cudi, man. Y'all gotta understand, bro. Kid Cudi, bro, that man right there saved me in ways that, like, bro, man, dude. Bro, y'all don't understand my connection with Cudi, bro. Like, this shit is ridiculous. But I am 6 minutes away from the dude's house to pick up the wheels. I probably won't vlog it because, well, obviously, I don't like vlogging, picking up wheels from people I don't know. It's just weird. Like, I don't like it. Bro, just imagine you going somewhere, right? And you picking up something. Or no, you're selling something and some guy pulls up to your house with a camera. Like, bro, what is this, bro? Like, what are you doing? Like, are you the ops? You feel me? Like, I don't want to freak the dude out. Plus, I'm in, like, I want to say I'm in a racist part of, you know, where I live, but Stuart is, there's some, so I don't want to be like that, you know what I mean? I ain't trying to have a man like, God damn. But yeah, finally gonna have some new wheels on the wheel. Oh man, all right, got the wheels. Woo! Oh, you guys can't even see anything. Woo! They back there. Woo! All right, now let's get home and I can show you guys. I mean, you guys can see them right there. Oh, there they go. Look, that's the wheels. That's the wheels I got. Ain't no crazy wheel reveal, bro. It's stupid. That's the wheel. I got some Kansai K&Ps, boys. Some Kansai K&Ps. Now it's time to get home. What's up, fam? So it is indeed the next day. I didn't pick up the camera from picking up the wheels last night because it was already nighttime. But man, you can see them from here. Look at that. Ooh, they look so good. Oh man, I can't wait to slap these on. I will be the first RSX on YouTube with Kansai K&Ps. Isn't that crazy? And how I know that is because I YouTubed RSX K&Ps. No RSX on YouTube with K&Ps, so I'm about to be the first. All right, so we're at Randy Bonbread's house. I was supposed to get these wheels through Kansai, but they never sent the invoice. So, well, what do you do when somebody posts that they have a set for sale? You lowball them and you meet on an understanding of the price you really wanted to pay, and you get wheels. So that's what's going on right now. We're gonna raise up the car.
They look good. Damn, silver, bro. Silver look good in any color, bro.
Facts.
Like, look. Hey, let me get them wheels, bro.
Trade me.
Nice. I'll check my tires, though. Garbage ass tires you got there.
What you mean?
I got basic ass T's. I mean, RPF 1s on my car, bro.
Bruh, RPF 1s look good.
Yeah, dude.
Woo! Let's see what Pop say. Let's see what Pop say. Nah, if I come like them shits look fresh. What you think, Pops? They won't fit the Civic. Okay, I got the driver's side wheels on, passenger side wheels on. I think I'm gonna have to dial in the fitment. Sure. Oh no, cause that rear looks nice. So we'll see. We'll see if I have to dial it in the fitment today or something like that. Hopefully not though. But that right there, oof. I don't know about all that, playboy. That's a little too high. But yeah, it looks good. That looks good, man. Ready to go for a drive in it? Get like a rolling shot of it. I didn't even tell you guys the specs. The specs are 17 by 9 plus 22. Oh, that looks good. I just need my front lip on, dog. God. That boy Randy boy, I'm finna drive Fred's car, bro. You're cool.
So Randy about to take you for a drive.
It ain't start.
Yeah, my starter.
He fixed it one time. I mean, he did something.
I hit that bitch.
Oh shit, bro.
Nah, before you hit it.
It's a nice boat.
It's a nice ass boat.
Wow, Randy's so cool, bro. Wow. I don't feel too bad. Nope. One day I'll be boosted and cool and all that stuff. Until then, I got the homies who are cool and boosted. Wow, you're a right-hand drive beast, bro.
Can I say?
That's how you drive it back to Guyana? I hit boost, bro. Hit boost. He won't know. Man, you're cool, bro. Hope you guys enjoyed that cinematic. This is the wheels. I don't know. Should I go lower? Yeah, and I don't want to do a lot of camber. It's just the tires, man. It's the 45 tires making it stick out so much. Huh? Yeah, like the camera is perfect. Like, I like the way it's set up. Yeah, I'll leave it alone. I think the not having the lip is throwing it off a lot.
Yeah, once you get the lip,
Yeah, it'll look better. But that's it. Hey, what's happening? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that cinematic of the wheels. 17 by 9 plus 22. That's the offset 215/45 tire. And that's what you get. Consign RSX. I think I gotta lower that side, bruh. I definitely gotta lower this side more. Cause that's taller than this side. Yeah. I have to raise this side. I mean lower this side. How about I do that tomorrow or something? But that looks so good, bro. She looks good. She finally looks good. And ladies and gentlemen, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because we got some new wheels on the whip. We got some new wheels on the whip. Wheels on the whip. Wheels on the whip. All right. But to be honest with you, I am not a fan of silver wheel. I don't. Okay, look. Let me spit the facts with you real quick, shout. What I'm trying to say is, I'm not a fan of shiny wheels on my car. I'm a fan of shiny wheels in general, just not on my builds. I like the aggressive black wheels or bronze wheels or mag blue, you know what I mean? I don't like polished chrome, silver. So what I'm going to do, we'll see how it looks. If it don't look good, then I'll just take it off. I am going to dip, right? Dip 2 wheels, okay? I'm gonna have one side of the car with dipped black wheels and the other side polished, and I'll see exactly which looks better on the car. I know you guys are gonna be like, bro, it's stupid, bro. It's gonna look better silver. Why would you? Remember, I had silver RPF ones. I dipped them black, and everyone was like, yo, this looks amazing, bro. Like, I thought at first it was gonna look stupid, but it looks great. Exactly, bro. So you just trust my vision, all right? You follow me for a reason. Trust my vision. You know what I mean? I'm not a build cars, man. Y'all, bruh, if I had the bread, these big YouTubers guys, bruh, my builds, Voltex Evo Kit with Rega Masters. Man, come on, man. Bro. Just wait, bro. My time soon forward. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy this video, then leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a f. I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for enjoying your Monday with me. I'll be sure to catch you guys maybe tomorrow for a daily. Maybe we'll, yeah, bump it. Daily uploads, vlogmas style, baby, from Monday through Friday. Hopefully there's a video every day. It should be. So look out for that. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one, man. I'm out. Comment down below your thoughts on the wheel setup and stuff. And yep. Peace.